Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Igino. So, started selling off last night. I put out that video. We finally got the rally in the futures. I was watching the S&P 500, nice strong rally, take us back. We just got that close above the 6,400 level, this little key area, 6,357. So now we have a bias, a little breakout from this range. Bias is upward. Key support now coming in about 6,300. All the way down to about 6150. So anywhere that we'd be watching for a strong rotation upwards. If we fall below about 6150, we'll start watching for the lower end of the range because we'll be back in the trading range. Remember, you can also come over here, put on your extensions. If you want the short-term levels, for example, you can come up here. You got this little, oops, let me fix this. There we go. We got that. We got, sure it's on that high, and then we can go to our 12 and 25%. So these are the very minor levels. So above 6,600, 67.16, 68.34, major level 69.90, so 7,000. Then above that 71.90, then 73.09. Now these are just your minor levels. I'm just pointing it out there for anybody doing very short-term trading. If you're doing longer-term trading, you're going to watch for these, the bigger levels. So, let me see. Let's go to the daily chart. So you see here about this 67.16 levels right in line with the top of the rotation zone. So that's, I would not ignore that minor level just because we can run up there and that's the top of the daily rotation zone. So key close in the rotation zone. That would be the test. And then if we do break above it, we're then above the rotation zone. So we go from bearish to more slightly bullish neutral. And then I'd really start watching for a return to the potential 50-day exponential moving average right around the 76.30 area. Over to Ethereum, also started selling off last night, got the little reversal with the futures. This could not get out of the range though. Still rejected from this key area. About 136 is very, very key. So we're still watching for that close above 136. So no bullish mode until we get the close above 136. We'll watch for 140 and then 147. If we break down, we're ignoring the rotation zone. It's just flat and choppy. If we break down, we'll just watch for the key support. First level of support coming in about 125.30, then about 122. Checking in on the daily chart. There we go. So you see here. Might close in the rotation zone today. We need to close about 132.25 above there. Then we'd start watching for a run up to the 154 area. 154 to 157 is the key resistance to the upside if we get a close within the rotation zone. Other than that, Ethereum's still acting a lot weaker right now than Bitcoin. So if we start selling off again, I'd be switching over to, for any people who sell short, I'd be switching over to Ethereum because it will probably drop faster. It's acting weaker than Bitcoin. Stronger rally, I'd be in Bitcoin versus Ethereum. And weakness, I'd be dealing with Ethereum. So those is how are we going to be playing it. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.